400,000 and continue to rise. 2 days of decline, the number of new deaths in Italy spiked upwards again to 812. But new infections are slowing. France is shuttling patients around the country to reduce, but the infection rate is proving relentless, and 24 hours takes France past 3,000 fatalities. In Paris, hospitals are full, and doctors have to agonize over who gets a bed and who doesn't. As recently as 2 weeks ago, Russia had just 10 official cases of COVID. But while millions huddle in their homes, around the world, hundreds of thousands of stranded European tourists are still struggling to reach theirs.
There is a very strong effort to suppress the disease. These might reach until the so-called
Extraordinary, heroic efforts are being made, voluntary efforts, medical efforts and diplomatic efforts. Faced with a global pandemic, the responsibility is on all of us to be part of that effort too. Paul Brennan, Al Jazeera.
Tens of thousands of more hospital beds will be needed and supposed to hit for another 2 weeks. Gabriel Zondo, Al Jazeera, New York.
Nationwide, all the new cases reported were imported. But the World Health Organization warns, even for countries where the cases seem to be tapering off, this is not the time to let that go over the past week. Last week, China banned foreigners from entering the country after seeing a rise in imported cases. In Hong Kong, residents who've returned says it will ban all arrivals and transit by foreigners as the number of cases and deaths rise. No one knows how long the pandemic will last, but even after